Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Interim Vice President for the Exports at the Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO, Shane Angus, says there are 4 main trends that Jamaica can profit from in serving the diaspora. That is food, beauty, agriculture, and boutique hotels. A lot of people want Jamaican food, but we always struggle to supply people with the required quantities that are needed, said the JAMPRO Vice President. Angus also noted that cosmetics is also something we see growing. People are now demanding Jamaica castor oil, and we can look at utilizing those lands to plant more castor trees, also more ackee trees, more breadfruit trees, to see how best we can meet those demands. Further, Angus stated that one of the new trends we are seeing is that most people are looking at boutique resorts. So we need to look at how we can develop 10 to 20 room villas where families and companies can host retreats and where persons can come for medical recovery and things like that, he reasoned. Angus made these remarks at the JN Group's Diaspora Dialogue webinar on May 30. Omni Industries Limited on Tuesday, June 11, became the first company to be listed on the junior market of the Jamaica Stock Exchange for 2024. Strong demand from the investing public saw Omni's initial public offer IPO of 500 million shares priced at $1 Jamaican per share being oversubscribed within 4 business days and the general pool by nearly 4 times. The company's stock commenced trading on June 11, closing the day at $1.30, thereby triggering the Jamaica Stock Exchange circuit breaker system, as the shares were being traded over 30% of their starting value, as reported by R Today. During trading for the period June 12, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Omni Industries Limited with 15,800,765 units amounted to 44.87% of the market volume in terms of sales. Lasco Financial Services Limited with 2,641,644 units amounted to 7.5% of the market volume in terms of sales. Future Energy Source Company Limited ordinary shares with 2,495,344 units amounted to 7.09% of the market value in terms of sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on June 12, 2024, registered a volume of 418,882 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange, valued at $4,937,488 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 88 cents. Unilever Caribbean Limited was the volume leader with 317,486 shares changing hands for a value of $3,714,551 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 90 cents, followed by One Caribbean Media Limited with a volume of 26,809 shares being traded for 98,570 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 57 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies, we turn to the Forex market. On June 12, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $48.6 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $63.9 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $156.49 and bought the US dollar for $154.82. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $1.67, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of 49 cents from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold at $114.49 and bought for $114. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $2.22, selling it for $197.81 and buying it for $195.59. For the credit report tip of the day, remember that your strong credit score is a gateway to unlock a fantastic relationship with your banker. Envision enjoying the perks of premium credit cards, which include higher limits, rewards, and benefits such as cash back. A strong credit score makes you eligible for these exclusive offers, enhancing your lifestyle. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed. Stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.